How's it going, folks? Welcome to Sunday Favourites.
Part 2. Oh, sorry about that, Owen.
Don't worry.
Technical difficulties there. We were just getting into it. So I know for a lot of people there, they had picture and no sound for a little while. It's funny, like Ben was trying to sort out the sound issues and Caroline and all the rest of it, and I was just sitting in the room with Owen, and I was like, "This is just amazing. I wish everyone could hear us."
You ever see when they're doing the behind the scenes of a TV show, and there's 20 or 30 people just standing around? They're not standing around. They're doing the things that we're trying to do.
Oh, it was great.
I wondered as well because I had the eyes closed, singing away, and I just saw a shadow. I was like, "Oh,
that wasn't in the script."
Yeah. What's happening now?
There was a script.
Yeah, I've made him leave the room.
Yeah, it's gas. Like the last time we did the Sunday Favourites program, there was a storm and everything was against us. We were like, power. We're going to lose power. We're going to lose internet. And then today,
I don't know. Perfect.
I don't know what happened. So we're sorry, folks. Hopefully you'll jump back on because we were building towards one of our favourite songs that Owen has showed us over the last while. So we gave you all the intro. So we're just going to sing it because this is a song. This is a show about singing songs. So here's the song.
Amor hen calls the rushes weed. The light is breaking through the tree. Across the lake, a gentle breeze is tossing dandelion seeds. Oh, do you remember when my love, oh my love, do you remember when we were young and life was hard, but beautiful in Clogman's Glen. From here up to the Hazelwood, a dozen houses can be seen, with turf smoke flying up above, and children playing in between. Oh, do you remember when my love, ah, my love, do you remember when we were young and life was hard, but beautiful in Clogman's Glen? And a beaten path along the shore, where fishermen would catch their fill, breaks off into a wild gorse and yellow dense fern covered hills. Oh, do you remember when my love, my love, do you remember when we were young and life was hard but beautiful in Clogman's Glen? Many summers came and went before the winter's icy chill. A cold, stiff wind swept through and blew till all was white and stiff and still. Do you remember when my love, my love, do you remember when we were young and life was hard but beautiful in Clogman's Glen? Oh, do you remember when my love, my love, do you remember when we were young and life was hard but beautiful in Clogman's Glen?
God, beautiful. Thank you for that, Owen.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank
that
you so
was
much.
Great. That was what we're waiting for. You broke the internet. Fair play.
I don't even know what that means.
Oh,
it's time for banjo.
Oh, so
I should move this microphone further back, I reckon.
yeah. We had a great show, apart from the interruption. But what can you do?
Such is life.
Just try and do your best, you know. So as always, we like to try and finish the show on a bit of a high. And we hope you enjoyed the selection of songs tonight. And we really appreciated you coming in, man, and singing some songs. It was great. Would you do it again?
Oh, in a heartbeat.
Awesome. Big shout out to Caroline here, who was pulling her hair out. I don't think she has a screed of hair left on her. And Chili there.
And Chili, the man himself.
He's looking after stuff there in the background. So we're going to finish up with a song that's a bit of crack. And we've deliberately not practiced it that much.
Yeah. Fast and loose.
Yeah, here we go.
Once again, Owen said to us, as many of our other guests said, can we practice that? Nah.
I know, it'd be better if we don't.
Thank you for doing it, man. We hope you enjoyed the show. Sorry about the interruption, folks. Tomorrow, when we put the show up on YouTube, we'll try and knit the two of them together or something. So
we'll do the Melda May. We'll meld them together.
Oh yeah, that was pretty good.
That was like
oh yes, and we will be doing. Will you stick around and do an after show with us?
I will.
Okay, so when we finish here tonight in a couple of minutes, we're going to stop the broadcast, and then we're going to all have a bit of a cry, and then we're going to go to the other room and do an after show with Eoin. So if you want to ask anything about the songs, or you want to send a special message to Eoin, or whatever you want to do, we're just going to sit around and talk away. Sometimes these things are 10 minutes long, sometimes they're an hour. So
sometimes they're less, as we just saw before. That last song went for 0 minutes the first time.
Yeah, but as long as that technology holds up. So if you want to come in and watch us just having the crack and chatting to Eoin here, and we'd love to see you back on. But otherwise, we'll see you back next week for a Sunday Favourites. And thank you so much for anyone who's donated some money as well. But we really appreciate that. That helps the whole show get on the road. And speaking of getting the show on the road, I'm going to shut up now and sing this song. Shut up and sing. This song is called Paddy On The Railway. There we go. 1841, my corduroy breeches I put on. My corduroy breeches I put on to work upon the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. In 1842, from Barty till I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway.
In 1843, I broke me shovel and crossed me knee. I went to work for the company on the Leeds Shelby Railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, dodging ditches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway.
In 1844, I landed on the Liverpool shore. My belly was empty, my hands were raw with working on the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. In 1845, when Daniel O'Connell, he was alive. Daniel O'Connell, he was alive and working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway.
In 1846, I changed me trade from carrying bricks. Changed me trade from carrying bricks to working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, dodging switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway.
In 1847, poor Odie was thinking of going to heaven. Poor Odie was thinking of going to heaven to work upon the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. Oh, thank you to Miss Eoin Mannion, who was our guest today. Thank you so much. We're going to take a short break. We're going to come back with a little bit of after show in a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching Sunday Favourites. Good luck.
Best of luck.